know if the oil's going to show up though. That's way too much to be residual oil. And it's only on one side. If it was residual, you would have... Subaru, my friend took it home. Found an oil leak. And we think it's because this bolt was loose right here. And it goes straight into the block. Goes straight down. Just gonna see if fuel comes out of there, or oil. Actually, oil.
You know, that might have been the issue we had the other day when we saw
it. Might have been. It might have been.
Res.
It might have been running down the front.
Yeah.
But I don't know how it would get inside your cover. Because it wasn't on the belt. There was some. It wasn't on the belt. Like it would have got on here, but we would have saw it on the belt and flung up.
If it gets past this seal, this is.
Yeah, but we didn't see any on the belt.
Here. It's true.
The belt was dry.
Well, we also remember when we took the cap and the cam phaser off that little front plate.
Yeah.
You know, that might be.
Oh yeah, look at that guy. Do it again, Alex. Okay.